Good morning, students. So, continuing our chapter number 7, Jerks and Mucks. Students, take out your book. Have you completed your yesterday's work? Okay. Those who have completed, very good. And those who have not done it, do it by today itself. Okay. Now take page number 73. Look in the book. Who can have 1 liter kheer? Do you like kheer? What do you call it at home? How much kheer can you have? Can you drink 1 liter water at one time? Three questions, three general questions are there. You have to solve it. You have to write your own answer. Okay. Do you like kheer? Yes. You all like kheer. What do you call it at home? We call it kheer only. We call it at home kheer. How much kheer can you have? एक बार में कितनी खीर आप पी सकते हैं? So at one time I can take 250 ml or 200 ml kheer or 300 ml kheer. Can you drink 1 liter water at one time? No, it can't be possible to drink 1 liter water at one time. You can drink 300 ml or 400 ml or 250 ml water at one time. Students, you have to write down the answer in your own words. Okay, if there is any doubt, you can look in the module. So the answers are, do you like kheer? Yes, I like kheer. What do you call it home? At home we call it kheer. How much kheer can you have? I can have 250 ml kheer. Can you drink 1 liter water at one time? I can't drink 1 liter water at one time. Next question, solve it. The donkey is trying to look for different ways to add up to 1 liter. Help him complete the chart. Student, a chart is given in your book on page number 73. A donkey is there who is trying to look for different ways to add up to 1 liter. So you have to help him to complete the chart. Some numbers are there and some blanks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ways. In 6 different ways you have to add up to 1 liter. So first 250 ml is given and 2 blanks are given. You have to write the number which add up to 1 liter. For 250 already given. एक blank में हम 500 लिख सकते हैं. In the next blank we can write 250. So 250 plus 500 plus 250 ml, that is equal to 1 liter. फिर 2 blanks रहे हुए हैं. You can write 700 ml plus 300 ml equals to 1 liter. Then 500 already given, which equals to 1 liter or 1000 ml. Then 100 ml is given. फिर 3 blanks हैं. You can write 300 ml plus 300 ml plus 300 ml plus 100, which equals to 1 liter. फिर 3 blanks दिए हुए हैं. You have to write the number which add up to 1 liter. So you can add 500 ml plus 300 ml plus 200 ml, that is equal to 1 liter. फिर 200 ml already given, एक blank है. In that blank you have to write 1000 minus 200, that is equal to 800. So you can write 800 plus 200, that is equal to 1 liter. So you can do this question by your own way. Okay, do this question in your notebook. Okay students, if you are having any doubt, you can look in the module. So 400 ml plus 350 ml plus 250 ml, that's equal to 1 liter. 450 ml plus 550 ml, that's equal to 1 liter. 500 ml plus 500 ml, that's equal to 1 liter. Then 400 ml plus 300 ml plus 200 ml plus 100 ml, that's equal to 1 liter. 750 ml plus 150 ml plus 100 ml, that's equal to 1 liter. Or 800 ml plus 200 ml, that's equal to 1 liter. You have to write ml also with the number. Unit भी आपको लिखना है. It is compulsory. Be careful while doing the question. Okay student, now turn the page. Next page, look around. Look at this picture. Now look for some other things we get in packets or bottles like this. Make your own list. You have to write name of some things which you get in packets or bottles, and you have to write the capacity of that packet or the bottle also. 4 blanks are there. Milk already given, और milk की quantity कितना दिया हुआ है 500 ml, that is half liter. 4 blanks are there. You have to write anything. You have to write the name of anything, any packet or bottle, and उसके सामने Next column you have to write the quantity. How much quantity that packet or bottle contains. You can write this also, you can do it by yourself. You can write cough syrup, eye drop, tomato sauce, cold drink, ghee packet, oil packet, etc. And how much quantity that packet contain or that bottle contains, that also you can look into that packet or bottle and you can write the quantity also in the next box. Okay students, you can do this question also in your notebook. If you are having any doubt, you can look in the module. So milk 1000 ml or 1 liter, cough syrup 200 ml, eye drop 10 ml, cold drinks 100 ml, tomato sauce 950 ml. In this way you can do it. Next activity you have to do at your home. Have you seen a 1 liter bottle? Collect a 1 liter bottle and some other small bottles. Guess how many times you have to pour for each of the small bottle to fill the 1 liter bottle. Students, here you have to take 1 liter bottle and some other small bottles. 3, 4, 5 small bottles you have to take, which is of different capacities, and 1 liter bottle you have to take. Small bottle or big bottle number 1, you have to write the name on the bottle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 small bottles या 5 bottles of different capacities you take and you take 1 liter bottle. Okay. फर्स्ट बॉटल में आप लिख देंगे बॉटल नंबर 1. पहले आप अपना गैस करेंगे कि हाउ मेनी बॉटल्स कैन फिल द 1 लीटर बॉटल. कितनी बार आप उसमें पानी डालेंगे, पोर करेंगे ताकि आपका 1 लीटर का बॉटल पूरा कंप्लीट फिल हो जाए. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू कैन राइट द गैस. यू कैन योर गैस यू कैन राइट ऑन द फर्स्ट बॉक्स. और फिर आप वाकई में यू हैव टू पोर द वाटर इन योर 1 लीटर बॉटल. और फिर आपका एक्चुअल मेजरमेंट आ जाएगा कि हाउ मेनी स्मॉल बॉटल्स कैन फिल द 1 लीटर बॉटल. एक्चुअल जो मेजरमेंट है दैट यू कैन राइट इन योर नेक्स्ट बॉक्स. एक गैस करेंगे और फिर आपका एक्चुअल मेजरमेंट. इन दिस वे यू हैव टू 1, 2, 3 बॉटल नंबर 1, बॉटल नंबर 2, बॉटल नंबर 3, देन बॉटल नंबर 4 एंड बॉटल नंबर 5. 5 बॉटल्स यू हैव टू टेक विच इज़ ऑफ डिफरेंट कैपेसिटीज़. आप अपना पहले गैस करके लिख लेंगे एंड देन एक्चुअल मेजरमेंट आप करेंगे एंड यू हैव टू राइट इन द नेक्स्ट बॉक्स. दिस इज़ योर एक्टिविटी यू हैव टू डू at your home. Okay students, this you can do in your book itself. Now next question. Look what Adhyan is saying. I poured 2 small bottles of water to fill this 1 liter bottle. How much water does his small bottle hold? Adhyan is also having one small bottle and one 1 liter bottle. He poured 2 small bottles of water to fill this 1 liter bottle. Means he poured 2 times. 2 टाइम उसने उसमें डाला 1 लीटर बॉटल में, तो 1 लीटर की बॉटल फिल हो गई, कंप्लीट भर गई. द क्वेश्चन इज हाउ मच वाटर डज हिज स्मॉल बॉटल होल्ड. तो उसके छोटे बॉटल में कितना पानी आ सकता है, या व्हाट इज़ द कैपेसिटी ऑफ हिज स्मॉल बॉटल, दैट यू हैव टू टेल. सो जस्ट इमेजिन 1 लीटर बॉटल में 2 आपकी छोटी बोतल आई है. 1 लीटर डिवाइडेड बाई 2. 1 लीटर में कितना ml हुआ? 1000. So 1000 डिवाइडेड बाई 2. What will be the answer? Yes, it is 500 ml. Good. So here जो उसकी स्मॉल बॉटल है उसकी कैपेसिटी कितनी है? 500 ml. You can do it by yourself. You have to write statement also. You have to do this question in your notebook. ओके, स्टेटमेंट्स भी आपको लिखना है एंड देन यू हैव टू सॉल्व इट. अगर आपको डाउट है यू कैन लुक इन द मॉड्यूल. ही poured 2 स्मॉल बॉटल्स टू फिल 1 लीटर बॉटल. ओके, सो 1 लीटर इक्वल टू 1000 ml. अब 2 स्मॉल बॉटल्स 1000 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 दैट इज इक्वल टू 500 ml. सो हिज स्मॉल बॉटल होल्ड्स 500 ml ऑफ वाटर. यू कैन डू इट. यस. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. To fill the 1 liter bottle, I need to pour water 5 times from my small bottle. Now the Leela is saying, Leela is also having 1 liter bottle and 1 small bottle. But here she needs to pour 5 times from her small bottle to fill the 1 liter bottle. Now the question is, then how much water does Leela's bottle hold? अब लीला के पास जो बॉटल है उसकी कैपेसिटी क्या है? व्हाट इज द कैपेसिटी ऑफ लीलास बॉटल? शी हैज़ टू pour 5 times. 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. She has to pour 5 times. So 1000 divided by 5. What will be the answer? Solve it now itself. Okay, it is 200 ml. तो लीला के पास जो बॉटल है उसकी कैपेसिटी कितनी है? 200 ml. You have to do this question also in your notebook. Okay, you have to write the statements. 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. So capacity of big bottle is equal to 100 ml. Third line, Leela uses small bottle 5 times to fill the big bottle. Okay. Then fourth line, capacity of small bottle is equal to 1000 divided by 5 equal to 200 ml. And last line you have to write, Leela's bottle can hold 200 ml of water. So here you have to solve this question. You have to write line by line, 5 lines you have to write. First of all, capacity of big bottle is equal to 1000 ml. ठीक है. Leela uses small bottle 5 times to fill the big bottle. So capacity of small bottle equal to 1000 divided by 5. That is equal to 200 ml. Thus Leela's bottle can hold 200 ml of water. So students, here we have done 5 questions, in which 4 questions you have to do in your notebook, and this one question you can do it, my liter bottle, this activity you can do it in the book itself. Okay, try to complete your work by today itself. Okay, we will meet in the next class. Till then, goodbye.